there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Jaguar key fob. It's a pretty straightforward process, and you need 2 of these 2016 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. They're just a few dollars. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. And you're also going to need a flat tip screwdriver. So what you want to do is on this back portion, right here, there's a little lip, little tab right there. Just pop that up and create a little separation. Take that back half off. These batteries come out like so. Once you have the first one out, the second ones you can just dump out. The new batteries go, both of them facing positive side facing up. And the most difficult portion of this is these 2 little tabs right here. There's 2 slots. Those fit in here, and it's a pretty snug fit. But you want to push those in before you put in this back. And there we go. Thanks so much. Oh, here's how you test it. Make sure your green light's there and your red light's there, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.